it hurt my hands really bad. Right, I forgot everything in that moment.
You did. I was like, are you going to speak?
Yes.
What is happening now?
We're not going to change a thing.
No, we're not.
Welcome.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Are we high? I don't remember taking anything.
I don't remember taking. Well, apart from my usual regime, but
Yeah, you made that sound so bad. My usual regime. She means proper, like, things that are prescribed to her, not MDMA.
yeah, yes, no, like
my usual MDMA of the day.
Medification.
Medification. Right.
Oh my lord, what is wrong? The sometimes good submissive. The
sometimes good submissive.
The good submissive.
And the sometimes good pronounceabella.
It's very touch and go most of the time.
No, it's good. So,
and that is where we left you last week. Now for episode 13.
Everybody loves candy. I also forgot that I had to say it. So not prepared.
She did. That was such... I was like, oh, come on. You made this whole thing about you wanting to say it. So I gave it to you. I served it on a silver platter for you.
You're right. Let me try again. What? The drugs that we didn't take are really kicking in right now.
Yeah, they are. Oh, it's back again.
Bella, it's your line, you absolute munchkin.
Oh, shit, it's
my
me,
God.
isn't it? Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are the Millers? I asked, looking around. They went home after some girls they went home after some girls. Fuck my life.
After some girls.
Oh, your mic, Bella. Oh!
What? I didn't do anything.
No, I know it's not you. It's the freaking microphone. Oh, do I need to turn you up on my phone? What is the deal? They went home with some girls after the show. After. No, he's not from Boston. Clockwise, damn it. That came out very southern. That came out very southern. I'm sorry.
Dang, nabbit. Those darn chickens at it again.
They are, apparently. Clockwise, damn it. We're just going to have to accept that Carter is actually a Texan.
Yeah. It's like...
Surprise line. Is that okay, Carter? Oh, that's still you.
Is that Oh, it is. How bizarre. We need to put that in the line together.
I pulled the... Like I would put it on Instagram. Like, who do you think I am?
I know, right?
Like, wow. No. I would get in trouble. Noah dared him to kiss you. Xander informed me. Why did I say it so weird?
I don't know.
Well, because he's a bit drunk now, so that's how he speaks when he's drunk.
Apparently. No to the coercion if she doesn't want to. She doesn't want to.
Wow. Is that... If she doesn't want to, 5 years later, she doesn't want to.
Doesn't want to. I lost where I was for a second. I was like, oh shit, where am I gone?
Admiring talent. See, gets it. Oh!
Yep.
Read
it. Come on.
That's the first time that's happened. I've been really good for like 13 episodes, and there it goes. Jason hit the light switch, and the diminished light allowed us to see a little clearer.
Not diminished.
A diminished light. What kind of musical light is that? It has diminished tones. Oh gosh. So, what made you come on this tour? What do you mean? What? Was it too much? It was too intense.
Sorry. No, it was what made you come on this tour?
Oh. Fair. I did. I always do these weird pauses after come.
Great.
Like, what's wrong with me?
You're channeling Christopher Walken.
So
what made you come on this tour?
Plus, we all sacrifice something along the way. Why not yourself? It's pretty... No, sorry, that's not what he said.
Wow.
That is not what he said.
Sacrifice yourself.
Why not yourself? So sorry. That's Gag Reel. That's not going anywhere near the real story.
Wow. Perhaps. Oh, fuck.
That was the nuttiest thing. I was like, looking right in your eyes. And I can tell you, I can tell you were going to say perhaps.
I thought I had it for a second and then I didn't. Perhaps. Perhaps. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, like, yes. He kissed me in my mouth.
In your mouth, did he? He kissed you
in my mouth. And in my neck. I moaned my discontent.
Discontent?
Take off your shirt.
Oh,
yeah.
Not your discontent. Your discontent, you munchkin.
I thought I said discontent.
You said discontent.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We're going with it. I'm feeling strong with it. No, I'm not. I'm so lost. I was leaning down on my elbows with my elbows with my...
On your eyeballs?
Eyeballs.
You're leaning down on your eyeballs? Wow.
Jesus.
Okay.
Wow. Sorry, I'm getting sucked into this. I'm like, oh, hello.
I know. I me too. That's why I'm not even reacting. But it doesn't... I feel like it's intimate.
I was leaning down on my elbows with my bum in the air, but zuddily, but spread your legs. Let me try that one again. Spread your legs.
Spread your legs. I'm a cowboy.
Yeah. Yeah.
My ranch wife.
Yes.
Different.
Get the accent out of my head.
I have no problem with that. That is also smut I like to read. The cowboy ranch wife. But this is not what this is.
This is not that. This is not that. Let me try and get the accent back.
Okay.
He breathed against my ears. Ears?
Where is his mouth?
Just the what? I know. It's right inside my head. Right between my ears.
Beautiful.
Take off your shirt and bra. Shirt and bra.
That seems accurate, though, for a Californian, so I think it works.
Okay. I could taste myself on his lips, and my heart steated.
Yeah.
My heart stuttered out, apparently.
Yeah. I had to have a lot of skin grafts, but it still looks like carpet. Can I see it?
Can I see it?
Can I see it?
Hot diggity. Did you fuck Jay? I gasped.
No, of course not.
She said too quickly.
Okay. Fine, again. That's what you get for drink. That's what you get.
That's what you get. Getting it.
Getting it. I know, but I know.
I know.
I know. Oh my God. I'm stuck. I know.
Losing the meaning of the word there.
I walked downstairs to find the others had already had breakfast and we were on their way to the bus. And we were on their way to the bus. Wow, this is such a bunch of crap. Of course, everybody loves candy. Everyone loves candy. Fuck my life.
Yeah, everyone! Jesus Christ! How many times have we done this? I just hit the table. There will be a big knock.
There wasn't.
Recording.
No, there wasn't. We both shook our heads. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Hey, yes. Jacob, Mark. I smiled seeing the Miller brothers sitting with the band. When did you get back? This morning. Mike replied from Bella and I. Behind Bella and I. Not from... Oh. Let me try again. Oh!
Oh, wow!